Hi, young friends. Nice to see you all remotely sitting in my home. All of you are also at home, safe and healthy. My discussion along with SR University started maybe a month or a two. And SR University is a first university which I found in my career of last, maybe in my career of as a training head for last 7 years, and my overall career of around 28 years. I found they are so fast and so visionary that they thought that this is what is required for the future engineers. It was a unique experience for me to interact with the management of SR University. So I'm very happy about it, and I'm happy for you that you are in the college who are very futuristic. I don't know how many of you know Siemens is in the various area of industries. Siemens is the top number one engineering company in the world who is supporting uh, around 85% industries who are available in the world. This is basically making the electronics products, and who Siemens is the pioneer in digitalization. You must be knowing Industry 4.0 and all. Maybe if not know, you will come to know in coming future. It is very important for you all to know Industry 4.0 or digitalization. Now, when you are, I see mostly everyone must be having a smartphone. The smartphone is nothing but activated the world for digitalization. Many of you must be playing the games on it, or maybe on the such type of Zoom meetings or on WhatsApp and all. So all these are being used. Now the smartphone will be used for the technology which is coming up. A lot of apps which you are using will be more from the industry point of view. Now there is a lot of boom in IT. I don't know whether many of you must be from the IT background also, or maybe in the IT engineering also. The IT engineering basically needs a software. Now there have been a lot of software which have been developed in last 20 years. And now these are the similar software which are happening, and now something is going to come uh, from the digitalization point of view, which is more in the industry, like how the chips packets have been manufactured, like your lay chips, how they have been manufactured. Now today, those are being manufactured for around 1,000 for a minute. The Pepsi wants it to be made 10,000 because there are more buyers. Now, how it has to be made to 10,000? So productivity should be increased. And there you also can find that in the Pepsi bottle, there is a cockroach into it. So this is a big bad name for Pepsi or Coca-Cola. Why it is happening? This is a big problem for the companies. So therein the digitalization is going to help not only for the productivity, but also for the reducing the failures and reducing the breakdowns in the manufacturing. In place of 10,000 lace packs, if they manufacture 5,000 because of there is some breakdown in the into the machine, so it will be a big loss for the company. So these breakdowns are directly proportional to the productivity. So the companies, the industries are more looking at the digitalization. And the digitalization basic is coming from the automation. And I'm really happy for you, friends, that SR University have been thought of to have a fundamentals of digitalization, that is automation. So SR is planning to develop as well as the German universities. None of the university here in India have, not none, very limited university are having such type of teaching or such type of curriculum. And most importantly, Siemens is going to help SR University to develop the curriculum to connect you with the industry. What is there in industry? Suppose as I give you example of lace packet, how lace packets have been manufactured on a machine, and this machine is controlled by automation, PLC. Now you will come to know when you will start working on PLC how important it is. So now this automation is the fundamental of the industry. If the industry have to manufacture more number of products, then the machine should be automated, isn't it? Now for automation also, if I want to handle that machine remotely, by sitting over here, if I want to stop a machine, or from the office, I want to see how much production has happened, what is the speed of machine, this and that. That can be seen on the computer. Now this computer is being supported, that machine is being supported by a program into a black box of a automation, and that programming is going to be learned by you, by your faculty members, and faculty members are being trained by us, and your curriculum second year onwards will be designed by Siemens together with SR University. Let me give great thanks to the SR University management, who has uniquely thought of about the curriculum. We are working together with the NSDC, that is National Skills Development Corporation, where we have a MOU, and there it has been thought by Government of India in the new education system that the engineers have to learn on the industry point of view. The curriculum, general curriculum of engineering is very nice, great, and that's the reason there are so many CEOs in America are from India, because our curriculum is the best. So this is the combination. What we are working on is the engineering curriculum and the industry related curriculum, and this combination will work students in the long way. And definitely you will take interest into that, because very soon you have developed your interest into the smartphones and you can easily operate it. It's not easily for me, even though for connecting the Zoom meeting, it was very difficult for me, because we use generally Microsoft Teams. And so I called my daughter that show me how I have to change my name from the typical digits to my name. So she showed me. So you young guys are the future of this country, and your future is well developed by the SR University. I really congratulate to you, and great thanks to SR University for thinking in a mind that we want to have a better engineers. I am on the selection jury of many of the industries, many of the selection of the candidates, and I can tell you in this recent situation, maybe around 4 or 5 years back, till 4 or 5 years back, I used to go into interview, and I used to get totally bored, because the one what I want to know, or the questions what I will have, is not the one what you have learned, because I have completed my engineering 30 years back, and you are completing your engineering. Now I'm going to ask you questions, something related to industry and not from your engineering curriculum. So when I will ask you, or my team members ask you about the question about the industry, you will not be able to answer, or many of the students are not able to answer. So the interviewer get bored. So now with this knowledge of industry and your general curriculum, you will be upgraded, and your interview will be very nice after your completion of your 4 years. So I wish that we will have a better engineers coming in coming years, and many of you would be that. And then when you get into the industry, you will find what is Siemens. And I really, Siemens is looking forward for you to be associated with our products in various industries, and there you will come to know Siemens quite well. I wish all of you all the best for your academics. Become a great engineer who can serve this upcoming country, or a growing country, where the industry or the country is looking for best of the best engineers to grow our country. Wish you all the best. And in this situation, please take care of yourself and your family. God bless you. Thank you.